everybody, today is the 9th of June 2010, and the date is actually important in this video. I opened up a thread on the speed solving forums called the Race to Sub 15, and the idea of that thread, as well as a few others that have been posted like Race to Sub 20, Race to Sub 30, etc., is that it's motivation to practice, and every week 12 scrambles are provided, and you're supposed to do the 12 solves, and then post your 12 solve times and your average. And you're just going to keep going like that every week until you get below what the title says. So like in the sub 15 thread, you would do it until you get sub 15, and then you would move on to the sub 10 thread. So I wanted to kind of do that. I wanted to kind of do that thing with you guys, but since all of you guys are at different levels, and I'm at different levels, and we're all at different levels, instead of saying only people who are wanting to be sub 15 can join this, what I thought I would do is just make it like a motivation thing for everybody. And so every Friday, so which means in 9 days from today, because today's Wednesday, I'm making it a little early, in 9 days from today, I will be posting a spreadsheet that I will make with your YouTube name and your average of 12 and where you want to be. So let's say that you want to make a video response to this, and you want to say, I want to be sub 20. And so you follow the 12 scrambles, and you videotape your average of 12, and then put it up here and say, my average of 12 was 22 seconds. So then I will input week 1, your username, you got 22 seconds, and your goal is you want to be sub 20. And so then for the first week, I will just show what everyone got and their goal. And then for the second through infinite week, I guess, however long this ends up going on, I will post how much they've improved or gone backwards or whatever. And so I think that'll be pretty cool. So the rules, there aren't any really, but do an average of 12 using the scrambles that are in the doobly-doo underbar, or whatever you want to call it. Use the 12 scrambles down there to do an average of 12. Videotape it. Put it as a response to this video, and next Friday in 9 days, I will post a video saying this many people entered, here's who they are, here's what they got, and here's their goal. So it's very simple. Like I said, the goal of this is just a motivation kind of thing. So, with that being said, I will kick everything off. My goal is to be sub 15. I'm not going to give a time limit because I don't know how long it'll take me, but I want to be sub 15, and the 12 scrambles will be followed, are right down there. And here's my average of 12.